The table in this spreadsheet is being used to record the names and contact information of airlines being contacted to send them a marketing brochure. We're using a VLOOKUP in column C to return the airline's address from the next tab. So in column A we have the airline name, and the VLOOKUP looks up the address in column B. But when it comes to American Airlines, there's an NA error. We can't immediately see that there is any problem because it looks identical. That's because the text contains an invisible trailing space, which you can only see when you edit it. Delete the trailing space to fix the NA error. EasyJet also has an NA error. We can see that there is a leading space, and deleting that fixes the NA error. A shortcut to quickly remove leading and trailing spaces from a column of data is to use the trim function in another column. Then copy and paste the clean text as values. An even faster solution is to use a trim macro like the one featured in my book, Making the Most of the Quick Access Toolbar in Excel.